Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to be unboxing a very special device. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2. It is probably one of the most exciting phones that I've had on my channel, so let's open it up. And here is the box. This is very interesting. So on the front it says Z Fold2 5G. On the left side it says Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. That's a lot to say. Top there's nothing, just like some folds. Same thing with the bottom. Then on the back it just tells you what's in the box and all that good stuff. On the right side you got the sticker that has all the IMEI information, serial number, all that good stuff. But let's open this up. So there's a little seal right here. It looks like it's already kind of lifted up a little bit, probably just in transport. It's kind of weird. Oh, it's just cut through that. Same thing with the one on the top. That one also looks like it kind of moved a little. And then this just slides up. Put that over to the side. And here is the box. So it just opens up like this. That's pretty cool. Change the shape of the future. I mean, this is a special phone. And we'll push this little tab to lift up this little thing right here. And what is in this? So there's just paperwork in here, just the normal paperwork that you normally get, and then a paperwork about Samsung Care. There's also a SIM card ejector in here, but I forgot to pull that out for some reason. I honestly thought they didn't put this with the phone, but they did. And here's a little pull tab for the phone, which we will get to, but this looks pretty awesome. And now we have the Galaxy Z Premier service. This is something that comes with the Z foldable phones. It has like specialized stuff. There's some concierge stuff, a 1-year screen replacement offer at $149 plus tax, which I guess is not that bad. There's actually a decent amount of stuff, which is kind of cool. I would rather take headphones, but they do give you some extra stuff. And that brings me to what's inside the box. So this little thing right here has a USB-C to USB-C plug. I think it's like 1 meter or maybe 4 feet, something like that. But notice there's no headphones or even an adapter. And then we have this little fast charging brick right here. It charges up to 25 watts. And then we have this little thing right here. This is another piece of disappointment. This doesn't have anything in it. It's just a little placeholder. And normally with the Note series, this is where they hold the USB-C to USB-A adapter, as well as the little tips for the S Pen. But in this one, it just is nothing. So yeah, the box is really nice, but it doesn't really come with too many things other than the Galaxy Z Premier service little pamphlet. But let's put all this back together and let's check out the phone or tablet. And of course, the moment you're waiting for. And by the way, let's check out this care instruction. You can feel free to pause, but it says don't use any sharp objects, such as a pen or a fingernail, which is interesting. It also says make sure that nothing gets in between the screens, or it can cause damage. Sadly, the phone is not dust or waterproof. I mean, they're not waterproof in the first place. They're generally water resistant, but whatever. Do not remove the screen protector film or install any other films or stickers. Interesting. I wonder why they did that. Alright, so let's get this phone powered on. And there you go. Here's the inside of the screen. Looks nice. There is that crease. You can definitely see that at first. And here's the screen on the outside as well. And the most disappointing thing for me is that this back is not a matte black. It's like a glossy black, which is kind of weird. But while this powers on, let's see how this phone is. Kind of plasticky looking, but a really nice aluminum frame. It looks really nice. And that's how it folds. This is so weird. It just opens and folds. Almost kind of like sticks together. Huh. It's addicting. Okay, so let's skip through the setup because pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up later anyway. And here we are on the home screen. And here we are on the other home screen. Huh. It's interesting. This is so different. It really is like a new experience. But now it's time to test this phone and get a review out. I am going to be spending a decent amount of time on this. So the next video that I'm going to release for this phone is going to be about my first impressions about it. And later on, I'll let you guys know when I'm going to be doing the review on this. But as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or message me on Twitter, because I do get bored over there. And feel free to follow the social media listed above. Subscribe to my channel so you can see those review videos when they do come out, and hit that bell button so then YouTube reminds you when they come out. Thanks for watching.